think he's gonna take off.
Yeah, he's probably gonna take off.
Yeah.
He's got traffic going on. I'll just around the edge. TBI.
Get your... Hey, show me your hands now! Show me your hands now! Hey, put your hands out now! Get your hands out! Get your hands out!
Yeah, just through that. We saw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get out of the car now! Get the fuck out of the car now!
Yeah.
Just try it.
Unbuckle
it now! Unbuckle it now!
Unbuckle. Right hand only unbuckle. There you go.
Get out! Now!
Slowly get out. Wigging out. Hands the whole time.
I got lethal, non-lethal.
Okay. Right. On the ground.
Get on the ground now!
On the ground. Face down. I got it. Yeah.
I got you covered. No one's in the car. Yeah, it's clear. 10:15.
Shut up, man. Let's get it.
I know that. That's all. I was just pulling the door right there.
Yeah, he was chewing something.
What money? It's my money.
Hey, you want to start?
From the casino, I got a ticket for it and everything.
Did you swallow anything?
No.
Yeah.
What'd you do with that bag you had?
You got a bunch of pills in the bottom.
Yeah, the oxycodone on there.
Yeah. Thank y'all. We like having fun. Oh man.
Y'all are taking my money? I wasn't at a casino.
Hey, listen, this is the perfect time for you to do this.
Yeah, okay.
All right? Let the adults talk. All right?
I just didn't know what I was literally searching.
If you would have stopped,
I was coming right here.
Oh, yeah,
That's why I
right.
was turning outside.
Yeah, right. Yeah, let's go with that story.
10 Next, sir.
Well, I gotta double check, man. Go ahead and kick off your shoes. Both of them. All right. Try putting them on again. All right, let's go over here.